So good morning to you, sir. So this is my reaction video connected to the Alan and Eileen murder. So the documentary titled The Mayor Did It. So it is a powerful because it shows how dangerous it can be when people in a power abuse their position. It doesn't just the whole story of the crime, but it helps us how the corruption and fear can spread when people or when leaders are not held accountable. The fact that the mayor could commit such a terrible act of crime and almost get away with it shows how broken the system can be. So what is the big difference was the public reaction. People were angry and the media helped spread the truth. Because of this, the justice system was forced to act. The conviction of Mayor Sanchez and his men was a very rare moment. The justice was won, and even in a system that often fails. And also one of the strongest pieces of evidence came from Jaime Fernandez, who used to be one of the accused but later became a star witness of the case. He told the court that Eileen Sarmenta was given to the mayor as a gift and taken away to be abused and killed. His story helped explain that what happened and who was involved in the case or the crime. So watching this episode is a very heartbreaking. You can feel the pain of the victims, family of the victims. The reenactments and interviews made it clear how cruel the crime was. But there is also hope because people did not forget and they keep fighting for justice. That's all, sir.